Welcome. If you use the Gmail app a lot, you probably swipe through your emails without even thinking about it. But did you know you can customize that swipe action to fit your workflow? In this video, we'll go step by step on how to set your right swipe to mark emails as read or unread so you can manage your inbox faster and smarter. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of the screen and tap the small menu icon, the one that looks like three horizontal lines. That's your main navigation button. Next, scroll down until you see Settings and go ahead and tap on it. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see several options depending on your account setup. For General App Preferences, choose General Settings. This is where you'll find the controls that affect how the app behaves overall. Now, under General Settings, tap on Swipe Actions. Here you'll see two sections, one for the left swipe and one for the right swipe. Each can be customized to do whatever you prefer, like snooze, archive, delete, or in our case, mark emails as read or unread. Tap on Change next to right swipe. A list of possible actions will pop up. From there, select mark as read/unread. Once you do, that's it, your setting is saved automatically. From now on, whenever you swipe an email to the right, Gmail will instantly mark it as read if it was unread or unread if it was already opened. It's a quick, easy way to keep track of what needs your attention without opening every single email. And that's all it takes. With just a few taps, you've streamlined your Gmail inbox and made your email management a whole lot smoother. If you found this guide helpful, give it a quick thumbs up and share it with someone who could use the tip. Thanks for watching.